Hi, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com, and I wanted to talk to you today about inbox dollars. This is a site that I was pretty much introduced to or kind of became aware of maybe about 2-3 years ago. And I'm glad that I signed up with it because I actually use it every day because I like to play games online. Now, there's other ways that you can earn here, but you can earn taking surveys and also redeeming offers at Groupon and for printing coupons. I'm going to kind of give you a tutorial of this site and show you how you can earn money here. It's very transparent and easy to use, and I think that you will probably incorporate this into your daily routine of sites that you can use to make money online. Now, you can also download and install after you join this site, install and download their app on your phone and tablet and use it while you're on the go. But you will need to sign up first. So I have the link right below this video. Now remember, you're going to get $5 right off the bat just for trying inbox dollars. They will still send you a check in the mail. That's one thing I like too, because not a lot of companies will still send you a check, but they do offer that option if you want to try that. Now, I told you all that I like to play games, and really it's true. You can actually earn money playing games. Now, you won't make a lot of money playing games, but I like to play solitaire anyway, and so you'll earn money every time when you play a certain amount of games. This bar will continue like a scratch and win. So it'll normally, once it gets here, a third of the way to the end, it will allow you to scratch off and win something, or you can wait until you get 2/3 of the way or complete it. And a lot of times I like to go all the way to the end and scratch it off to see what I won, and then be able to use that so that I can, possibly have access to a higher cash amount. But anyway, you can do it however you want, and like I said, it's a great way for you to be able to, if you'd like to just play games, arcade games, you can earn a little bit of extra cash. Now, another way, I think the best way to earn money here is by completing offers. They have lots of different offers on inbox dollars, and you can kind of choose which one you want to check out and try. Some of these are completely free, and then some of them may actually be like a trial offer, which you may have to cancel within 30 days. But below it, this is what I'm talking about when I mean transparency. They tell you right below the offer how much you're going to earn from inbox dollars. So sometimes, depending upon that offer, the amount will be different. But if you want to check it out, if it's something that you were going to do anyway, then this is how much you'll make. Like if you want to sign up for this survey panel, it tells you exactly what you need to do. It says you have to confirm your registration and take an initial survey to receive credit. But once you do, this amount will be shown up to your balance on your inbox dollars homepage, and you'll see that. So if you're looking for ways to make money, click on that particular tab. And then if you sign up with Avon and you want to be an Avon rep, you're going to earn $30. Now here, it says here, in order to get the $30, you have to sign up, book an appointment, purchase your starter kit. You can do it either on the phone or online, and then you will get your cash back. So if you wanted to sell Avon anyway or be an Avon rep, then you're going to make this much back, and it will also be credited to your account here. If you wanted to be an Airbnb host and you wanted to rent out your home, then you will earn, it says here, $100 in cash from inbox dollars when you basically host your home on Airbnb, and then when you rent it out. So that's another way too that you can earn extra money. If you want to drive for any of these companies or deliver food and other items to people, then you can, of course, make money. And it'll tell you how much you can make, either, delivering for DoorDash, Lyft, Uber Eats, or if you want to pick up people. and you'll get this amount, and this will all be credited to your account. Now remember, you're going to make money here too with some of these deals that they have here. This is the making money section, but you're also going to earn even more because this is what Inbox Dollars is going to give you on top of what you make working. Saving money. It's another great option too that you can use if you want to save a little bit of money. Sometimes I feel like saving money can almost be similar to making money or getting cash back for something. So you get rewarded for that. So these are some other companies that they've partnered with that will help you to save a little bit of money. And if you sign up for any of these offers, it will tell you right below how much you'll get back. Now, another thing that I like too, if you're looking for just 100% free offers, then click on that and then scroll through here. And you can sign up for some of these, like for this Nielsen computer and mobile panel, you're going to get $6 after you sign up and install their app. And then you can scroll through the next page and see what they have available. You can also click on, as I probably did in the beginning, all offers, and they have lists of pages that you can go through. And right below, again, you'll see how much you can make. Now, what I like to do, also really quickly, so across this tab here at the top corner, you can earn for taking surveys. It'll tell you how much you can make. Daily surveys they have, and then they have a spin here that you can win for taking surveys. So if I use my spin, it says that I have one. I'm gonna spin it, and I could probably earn something here. Just depends on what it lands on. And so let's see. So I won something. So I won a progress on my scratch and win progress bar, and it went that far. So when it gets here, I can scratch and win some cash. So just something that you can try here. But you can also take surveys. Here you can watch TV either from your computer or your device. The player will load, and every time you watch something, it'll be in relations a lot of times to the latest news and updates that are going on around the world. Then this bar, this tab will continue to scroll across, and that's the same way that it does with playing games. You can also choose what category you want to watch videos from, whether it be entertainment, food, health, and so forth. And like I showed you, I think I showed you the game tab. Easy Cash tab is another one that you can use to earn money on Inbox Dollars. Also completing offers here, and they have different offers that you can try and sign up with. Like I said, they'll tell you how much you're going to make. The search tab is another one that I like. Their own search engine, Inbox Dollars has. You can even set it as your homepage if you want to, and use it in Chrome if you have it installed on your computer. So you can search the web for anything. And then when you do, like I could search for my blog. And every time you search, you get 4, like it says here, after you've searched 3 more times, I have 1 out of 4, then I get to do the scratch and win to earn money for that. So you can search here instead of going on Google and use it to make a little bit of extra cash. Now I'm going to click back and go back to Inbox Dollars and show you something else because I'm going to get off their search tab. Videos, same thing. Here are some videos. So here you can watch food videos, videos about different kinds of meals you can prepare and things like that. And it tells you that you will earn how much you're going to earn and how many videos you need to watch in order to earn that. The best way I feel like to earn decent money here on Inbox Dollars would be either by completing offers or taking advantage of some of these deals. Now, if you like to find bargains on Groupon like a lot of people do, then they have, depending upon your location, you can always change your location. You could select Atlanta if that's where you live. When you fill in your information when you sign up, you'll input your address and your zip code, and so they will give you, based upon your location, they will give you offers and deals that you can go ahead and sign up with or take advantage of, and this is how much you'll get back. So not only do you get the deal from Groupon, you're going to get discounts just to check out this company or go and try and buy something, but you're also going to get money back from you if you go through eBay. So I like that, because you won't get that if you just go through Groupon alone. I mean, you'll get the deal, but you won't get any cash back. So definitely, like if you were going to do this Skyview Ferris wheel, and it tells you how much the price would be, you're going to get a discount, and then you get this cash back if you want to take some portraits. Sometimes it may take 5 to 7 days for it to credit to your account here, but you will still get that cash back. So you can enjoy yourself, take a day out or go on a weekend getaway with your family and go visit some new restaurants or go take in some amusements, and then earn money just by redeeming it through Inbox Dollars. So that's another way that you could use to get cash back that will be credited to your Inbox Dollars account. So it says you'll earn 5% cash back on all valid items purchased through Inbox Dollars from Groupon here. Another way you can get deals is by printing coupons. Now this is pretty cool too. So every single coupon that you clip and print, you're going to earn 10 cents for every coupon that you redeem. So it tells you how much money you could get back in savings. And these are some of the deals. All you have to do is click that coupon, and it's going to load it to this print coupon tab. And then when you print those, like it says, you'll earn 10 cents for every coupon that you redeem. So you can go through here and click to show more coupons. So here you're going to save money and also earn money for clipping coupons. That's pretty cool. You guys will probably like that too, especially if you like saving money. Another way, if you shop online, you can also earn that way too. You'll get up to 2% cash back for shopping at Walmart and different things like that. So definitely use Inbox Dollars. I'm telling you, there's something that you can do here every single day. This is a site that always has offers. They always have tasks and things that you can do every single day to earn money here. Even if you just want to use their search engine, you can earn money doing that. Or if you want to play those games, like I told you, I like to play solitaire, but you're going to make the most money doing the offers, and of course with Groupon and the coupons and completing surveys, believe it or not, too. So don't forget to use Inbox Dollars. Right now you see my balance. I could cash it out and get a check. So definitely, when you sign up too, once you complete the questions in your profile, you will earn money for that. So use this site. You will not regret it. And tell your friends about it too. Especially if they are looking for something that they can do on the go. And like I said, you can install the app on your phone or mobile device and use it so that they too can earn money, real money. You don't have to get gift cards here. They do have that option if you want to select gift cards, but real cash just for playing games or taking surveys, watching videos, searching on their search engine, and so many other ways, even for referring your friends. So make sure you click on the link below this video. Check out Inbox Dollars today, and if you've been using it and you want to leave your review, make sure you do so right below this video. And don't forget to go over to our official Facebook group, Extra Cash Sites, as well as Workers on Board Community, for additional sites that you can use and sign up with today to earn extra money from home. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, and make sure you check out for my next video.